Imagine waking up tomorrow to find your phone ringing with qualified leads, all of whom found your business at the top of Google Maps, all without paying for ads, SEO tools, or expensive SEO agency. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact steps for how to rank your Google business profile in 2025. So here's what we're going to be covering. The only 3 ranking factors Google actually cares about for local search, and how to optimize for each one without any technical skills. A simple 20-minute setup that will put you ahead of 90% of your local competitors, and the free tools that can replace expensive SEO software for ranking your Google business profile. Now, look at any gym in early January. Every treadmill is packed with people in their brand new Lululemon gear, tracking their workouts on their brand new fancy Apple Watches. But by February, it's a ghost town. The only people left are the regulars in old t-shirts showing up every day doing basic exercises. They're getting results while the fancy gear collects dust at home. Local SEO is exactly the same. The basics, done consistently, beat complicated strategies and expensive tools every time. You don't need these tools or complex techniques to outrank the plumber down the street who hasn't touched their business listing since 2019. So let me break down exactly what Google cares about when ranking your Google business profile. There are only 3 main factors, and I'm going to show you how to optimize for each one. First, there's relevance. This means how well does your business match what someone is searching for? So let me show you what I mean. Pull up your Google business profile right now. Look at your services list. If you're a plumber but haven't listed water heater repair as a service, you're invisible to people searching for that, even if you fix water heaters every single day. Now, second is distance. Google measures from your business address to where it thinks the person is searching from. Now, here's the thing. Obviously, you can't change your physical location, but you can expand the area where you rank well by building trust with Google. I'll show you how in a minute. Now, the third is prominence. Basically, how established and trusted is your business online? Most people think this only means reviews, but that's only part of it. And for ranking, it's not even a big part of it. Google looks at everything from your website structure to your business listings across the internet. So here's what makes local SEO easier than regular SEO. You only need to beat that local plumber down the street. You don't need to worry about Amazon. You don't need to worry about huge national brands. Just the other businesses in your area doing the same thing. And most of them aren't doing the basics right. So let me show you how to optimize your Google business profile without spending a dime. Most SEO companies want you to think you need to hire them or that you need expensive tools, and you really don't. Okay, the first mistake I see, empty categories. Most businesses I look at have 1, maybe 2 categories filled out. That's like entering a race and only running the first quarter mile. Google gives you 10 category slots. That's 10 different ways to show up in searches. So pull up your Google business profile right now. Go to your categories. I'll wait. Okay, how many do you have? If it's less than 5, you're leaving money on the table. And when you choose secondary categories, don't just choose obvious ones. Think about every single service you offer. If you're in plumbing, adding categories like emergency plumber and water heater installer puts you in front of customers that are searching specifically for those services. Now, your Google business profile services are next. Here's a 5-minute hack to create your services list. Again, we're going to grab your phone and search for what you do in your city. Look at the top 3 businesses in Google Maps. Click on each one and write down every single service that they put on their profile. Add those same services to your profile, word for word, if you provide that service. Why? Because Google already ranks them for those services. What you're doing is basically telling Google, hey, I do those exact things too. So let me show you our simple 3-part posting system for your Google business profile. It basically generates leads for free. Now first, make a list of your top 5 services. Then grab your phone and record just a 30-second tip about each one. Post those videos directly to your Google business profile with a simple caption like quick tip about problem you solve. Do this once a week in your GBP post section. Now, if you want more reviews, here's what's working right now. Text your happy customers from your personal phone. Again, no fancy software, no automation, no expensive tools. Just your phone, and text them, hey, thanks for choosing us. Could you leave me a quick review? And then give them the review link from your GBP. I've tested dozens of review request messages. This one works because it's personal, specific, and easy. Your customer already knows you, probably has your name programmed in their phone. So when you send it within 24 hours of completing the job, the response rate is huge. Now, you need a business description for your business profile. And the exact prompt for AI to write it for you is write a Google business profile description for your business name. Include year founded, main services, and service area. Keep it under 750 characters. Fill in your details and paste in what ChatGPT gives you. You can even use the free version. Now here's a quick tip about those GBP posts. You can use a scheduling tool like Go High Level to post them automatically. And the best part, it can also delete the old posts when putting up a new one, so you never have to worry about duplicate content. So now let's fix the biggest website mistake I see. Homepages that waste ranking power. Open your website in another tab and look at your homepage title tag. If it says home or just your business name, you're wasting Google's trust. You should change it right now to match your main Google business profile category plus your city. For example, if you're a plumber in Houston, your title tag should be plumber Houston, your business name. It's not fancy, it's not creative, it's just exactly what you are and where you are. This tells Google that this website belongs to this Google business profile. Now, I've analyzed over 100 local business websites focusing on this title tag issue alone. And do you want to know what I found? 82% of them had homepage title tags that didn't match their Google business profile categories. None of those were in the top 3. Fix this. The content on your homepage matters too. Remember all those categories you just added to your GBP? You need a section about each one of them on your homepage, but don't just list them. Write a paragraph about each one of those categories using the exact same words you used in your GBP. So let's say you're a plumber. Your Google business profile lists water heater installation as a service. Your homepage needs a section that says exactly that, water heater installation. Don't use hot water solutions or heater services. You need the exact same words. Then, underneath that, you're going to write a quick paragraph about it using natural language. We provide professional water heater installation across Houston with same-day service availability. And again, if you don't want to write all of this content yourself, the free version of ChatGPT or Claude will do a great job. Just tell the AI, rewrite my homepage content. Include sections about these GBP categories. List them, matching the exact language from my Google business profile. Write for this city. Copy your current homepage content, paste it in, and let your free AI tools do the heavy lifting. Now, 3 more quick things your homepage needs. First, you'll want to embed your Google Maps listing. Very easy to do. Second, add your Google reviews. Third, and most people miss this, add local business schema to your homepage.
This is just a piece of code that tells Google exactly what your business does and where you're located. This sounds technical, but there's a 2-minute shortcut. Again, the free version of ChatGPT or Claude, and type
write local business schema for a business type in your city. Then give the AI your business name, address, phone number, hours, and anything else it says it needs to write the schema. Grab the code it gives you, but don't paste it on your site just yet. First, go to the Google Schema Testing tool and enter the schema there. If there are any errors or any warnings, go back to ChatGPT and say, fix these errors and warnings in my schema, and then you'll paste the schema along with the errors and warnings that Google identified. Once it's clean, no errors, no warnings, add it to your homepage header. You can post a job on Upwork to get someone to add it to your header if you're not sure how. So now that you know exactly how to optimize your Google business presence for free, but getting your Google business profile and homepage right is just the start. Your entire website structure needs to work together so that you can dominate local search. In this next video, I'm going to show you the exact website structure template that we use at my agency, the same one that's helping local businesses rank across their whole service area. Click here to watch it now. You're going to get my actual page layout, content templates, and the simple formatting tricks that's going to make Google love your site.